New details in a Target 12 investigation contract controversy. As we reported yesterday, federal investigators have joined a probe into a multi-million-dollar deal the McKee administration awarded last year to education consulting firm ILO Group.
We learned the FBI agents and state police have begun questioning people in this investigation. Target 12 investigator Tim White is here now with the latest details.
We have yet to talk to Governor Dan McKee about the developments. He left a fundraiser last night without comment, and today we were told he'd be returning to the State House. But after hours of waiting, a spokesperson said he would not be coming in after all. The U.S. Attorney's Office and the FBI have joined the State Attorney General's investigation looking into the unusual bidding process that resulted in the McKee administration awarding a contract worth up to $5.2 million to a brand new consulting firm, ILO Group. The company was incorporated the same week Governor Dan McKee was sworn into office, and at the time, the firm's founder worked for a close confidant to the governor. Emails previously obtained by Target 12 show that close confidant provided a framework for what the bid should look like that was ultimately awarded to ILO Group. Target 12 has learned at least 2 people connected to state government were interviewed on Thursday by the FBI and state police. The U.S. Attorney's Office, FBI, and Attorney General have all declined to comment about the probe.
I think, like many Rhode Islanders, I was dismayed.
McKee's competition in the governor's race quickly reacted to news that the feds were now involved in the investigation, including comments from Democratic candidates Matt Brown, Helena Foulkes, and Nellie Gorbea, who appeared on 12 News at 4.
This is not the Rhode Island we need right now. We need to move forward.
ILO Group ultimately received nearly $2 million before ending its work with the state. Robert Correnti, a former U.S. attorney in Rhode Island, is representing ILO Group. In an email, Correnti told me he does not have a comment about the investigation at this point. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.